Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to activate the two-step verification in Gmail. So what you have to do is to of course access your account first in mail.google.com, and once you have this page loaded, then you should be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next is to refer to the icon over here. So that serves as your display picture. If you click that, then a pop-up will show up, and what you have to do next is to just click manage your Google account and another page will be loaded. So what you have to do next is to click security. And if you see, there are a lot of options, but what you have to do is to scroll, and once you see how you sign into Google, then you should be able to see the two-step verification option. So as you can see, it's currently turned off. So I want to turn it on, and what I have to do is to just click that, and if you want to, you can read this, but yes, after that you can just click get started. And you just have to put in your cell phone number. So you can choose if you want to receive the codes via text message or phone call. So in this case, I'll just choose text message. So just click next. And as you can see, it's processing, and let me check my phone for a while. So I have received the code and I'm currently typing it in. So just click next. So it's currently validating, and as you can see, it says that it worked. So if you want to turn it on, just click the last button, which is turn on, and then you're good to go. If you want to verify, then you can check your recent security activity, and the most recent one is signing in with a two-step verification. And as you can see it over here as well, the two-step verification is on since 7:58 p.m. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.